पाटो पणजेच्या कृष्णदास शामा सेंटरात म्हटल्यार सेंट्रल लायब्ररीत 19 जूनाक गोंय क्रांती दीस मनयलो। ह्या निमतान गोंय मुक्ती दिसाचेर आधारित पुस्तकां, फोटो, आर्टिकलां आनी पत्रांचे प्रदर्शन दवरिल्ले। पळयात।
लोखंडाचो आयलो पुरूस खरें सापून कोणाक खबर, ताज्या शिवा उल्यान गेली आमची भुजा शिव शिवून।
कसा उपयोग करू नाही म्हणजे पैसे करून स्वतः गेले तो मॅच सदा
आकाशवाणी आशिल्ली
वा 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 ते मी एकटी सवय
तिने आमकां दिली
अच्छा अच्छा
ताजी
Here was a case where a lesson is to be learned by the people of today. The words of Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia. When he was told, he says, please ask Mahatma Gandhi and your leaders, in Delhi, now that the freedom is coming close, please ask your people to help us to get freedom. And what he said, and I'm just stating this, not quoting the exact words, but he told them, he says, see, please do not expect somebody from outside to come and help you. You have to fight your own battle. You have to take up the cudgels, because here is a big population of 5 lakhs. At that time it was 5 lakhs. You have to consolidate yourself.
गोवा 365 खातीर डिलन रॉड्रिगीज, श्वेता गांवकर आनी ओमकार देशप्रभू।